Hello everyone and welcome back to Snack English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Adam.
Hi, Adam. Hi, everyone. It is so good to be here with you again today.
Me too, Sarah. I have a question for you. Do you have any bad habits?
Oh, that is a big question. Yes, I have one or two.
Me too. Actually, quite a few.
And today, that is exactly our topic.
Yes, habits. The good ones, the bad ones, and the ones we want to change.
Oh, I love this topic because everyone has habits. Some make us feel good and some not so good.
Exactly. A habit is something you do again and again, almost without thinking.
Like brushing your teeth or checking your phone first thing in the morning.
Yes, some habits help us, and some habits we wish we could change.
And today we will talk about both, honestly.
Before we start, please subscribe to Snack English and give this episode a like. It really helps us.
Yes, and share it with a friend. And comment habit below right now so we know you are here.
Great. Sarah, let's start with something easy. Tell me one good habit you have.
Okay, I always drink a glass of water first thing in the morning.
Always. I love that word. It means every single time. No exception.
Yes, every morning before coffee, before anything, a glass of water.
That is a wonderful habit. I usually forget to drink water in the morning.
Usually, that means most of the time, but not always.
Right. Usually I forget, but sometimes I remember.
Sometimes, not often, just once in a while.
Exactly. So we have three words now. Always, usually, sometimes.
And there is one more, never.
Never. That means not one single time.
For example, I never eat breakfast in bed. Not once in my life.
I never check my email before breakfast. That is one rule I keep.
Good rule. Okay, now let's talk about the harder part, a habit you want to change.
All right. Honestly, I always check my phone before I go to sleep.
Always? Every single night?
Every single night. And it is not a good habit. It keeps my brain busy, and then I sleep badly.
I understand completely. What do you want to do instead?
I'm trying to read a book before bed instead of looking at my phone.
I'm trying to. That is a great phrase. It means I am making an effort. I am not perfect yet, but I am working on it.
Yes, I'm trying to read more. I'm trying to sleep earlier. I'm trying to drink less coffee.
I'm trying to. It is honest. It does not say, I always do this now. It says, I am working on it.
Exactly. And that feels more real because change takes time.
It really does. Now, Adam, ask me, what is a habit you want to change?
Sarah, what is a habit you want to change?
Honestly, I usually stay up too late, even when I am tired.
Oh, I know that feeling. Why do you think that happens?
I think it is because the evening feels like my only free time, so I don't want it to end.
That makes a lot of sense. So, what are you trying to do?
I'm trying to go to bed 30 minutes earlier. Just 30 minutes. Small steps.
Small steps. I love that. Change does not need to be big and sudden.
No, just one small step at a time.
Okay, everyone, if you're still with us, thank you. Please subscribe to Snack English and share this episode with a friend.
And comment habit below. We want to know your habits too. Now, Adam, I want to hear a story. Did you ever really try to change a habit?
Oh, yes. Let me tell you. Last year, I decided to stop drinking so much coffee.
How much coffee did you drink?
4 cups a day, sometimes 5.
5 cups. That is a lot.
I know. So one Monday, I said, that's it. No more coffee.
No coffee at all? Suddenly?
Suddenly, 0 coffee.
Oh no, what happened?
By Tuesday afternoon, I had a terrible headache. I felt tired. I felt grumpy.
Grumpy. That means a little angry and not nice to be around.
Very grumpy. My poor colleagues. I was not a pleasant person that day.
Poor colleagues indeed.
By Wednesday, I gave up. I drank a coffee, and I felt instantly better.
So the no coffee plan failed?
Completely failed, but I learned something important.
What did you learn?
I learned that big, sudden changes don't usually work. Now I'm trying something different.
What is the new plan?
I'm trying to drink just 2 cups a day, slowly, slowly.
And how is that going?
Much better. I still enjoy my coffee, but I don't feel grumpy.
That is a much smarter way to change a habit.
Small steps really do work better than big ones.
I completely agree. Okay, let's practice now. I will ask Adam some questions. Everyone, try to answer before Adam does.
Ready.
Do you always make your bed in the morning?
No, I don't always make my bed. I usually do it, but sometimes I forget.
Do you ever skip breakfast?
Sometimes, yes. If I wake up late, I skip it, but I'm trying not to.
Do you usually exercise?
I'm trying to exercise 3 times a week now. Before, I never exercised at all.
That is great progress. What time do you usually go to sleep?
I usually go to sleep around 11. I'm trying to make it earlier.
My turn now. Ask me something.
Sarah, do you always check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I always check my phone first thing. It's one habit I haven't changed yet.
Do you ever drink tea instead of coffee?
Sometimes, usually in the evening. Never in the morning, though. I need real coffee then.
Do you usually walk or take the bus?
I usually walk if the weather is nice. If it's raining, I never walk. I take the bus.
Wait, Sarah, you said, I never walk, but then you said, if it's raining.
Yes?
So is it really never, or is it not when it's raining?
Good point. I think I should say I usually don't walk when it's raining.
Exactly. Never means not one single time ever, but you do walk sometimes, just not in the rain.
You're right. Never was too strong a word there.
It's an easy mistake. Never feels natural to say, but it really means 0 times.
Good catch. I usually walk except when it rains.
Perfect. That is much more accurate.
Mistakes like this help us speak more clearly. Thank you for noticing.
Of course. Okay, everyone, let's wrap up today's episode.
Yes, today we talked about habits, the good ones, the bad ones, and the ones we want to change.
We learned 4 frequency words: always, usually, sometimes, and never.
Always means every time, usually means most of the time, sometimes means once in a while, never means not one time.
And we learned a great phrase for change: I'm trying to. It is honest and it gives us room to grow.
We also heard Adam's coffee story, from 5 cups to a sudden 0, and then a much smarter, slow plan.
A very smart plan. Small steps.
Small steps really do work better. That is the biggest lesson today.
You don't need to change everything at once. Just one small thing.
Now, my challenge for you. Think of one small habit you want to change, and say it out loud. I'm trying to...
Just one sentence. I'm trying to drink more water. Or, I'm trying to sleep earlier.
Say it now, out loud.
And comment habit below. Tell us, what is one small habit you are trying to change?
We love reading your answers. And remember, small steps count.
They really do. And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Snack English, give it a like, and share it with a friend.
Thank you so much for listening to us today. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.